Welcome to Jedidiah's MAUREEN'S that matters. How una dey, my people? As you can see me now, don't cover my head because I'm ready for my farm work. The last video I talk about some kind things they do this period of lockdown when I come back from work. So farming is part of them. I go link my video, the one I do when I show now the corn and the things I plant, how then they do. For this video, I go show now. Today, I want to do some planting because I don't finish clearing the place. See the place. All this place down one at the sea. All this place. I don't clear them. This place now the corn. If I look back now, you will see the corn where I don't plant a moringa tree. Now then they for back here. So today I'm going to let me show you guys what I'm going to do today this morning is to this place that I've cleared now. I'm going to pack all the grass. I'm not burning them today. I'm not burning them. When I pack the grass, when I pack the grass, I will plant my corn on it. Corn, and I'm going to plant, maybe I will consider planting cassava too. So my country people, now the work where I won't do this morning with this. When I don't finish, I'll throw the grass. All this place where you can see, so all here, I'm going to plant the corn everywhere. So this is the work I'm going to do today. Yeah, guys, no be small sweat I dey sweat too. I don't finish clearing the whole place. Then to plant the corn. Now let me show you guys. Holding the corn, I'm going to be putting two seed on the ground. I go dig where I go put them. So that's what I'm doing now.